Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to eject or remove the SIM from this device. Okay, so in this device you can see at the bottom of the device you will get the SIM port. You can see here is a SIM port, and to eject the SIM tray we need to put one SIM ejecting tool to this hole like this. Okay, and just press it. You can see now the SIM tray is ejected. Remove the SIM ejecting tool and pull this tray. Simply. You can see the SIM tray is ejected and you can easily remove the SIM from this tray. And we have to put back this SIM tray inside this. Okay, like this. Just press it. Simply. So simply in this way we can remove the SIM from this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.